Hi, I'm going now in the place Trnvoko where we organized the event Vintage Market Skopje, and today it's a very foggy day. Like, can you see? So Nicola is already there with the owner of the place, and also she's organized with us this event. They need to prepare the place for vendors, for the people who will come, and hopefully find something. And yeah, this few weeks we are very busy to organize this event. First time, so we don't have experience in such a thing. We have experience in the past organizing, but that was 10 years ago, I think, organizing the poetry readings and something like that. But it's been a long time, and yeah, it was not easy.
Kajit has wares if you have the coin. Kajit has wares. Okay.
Okay, enough joking.
Skyrim players, shout out in chat. We are here, we are selling. This is our stand. Well, we're also selling for some friends. Not all of our these clothes are ours, and I don't know. I just feel good when we're putting on these kinds of events and shows. It was very stressful this morning. I just wanted to fall and die, but now I'm so full of energy I can hardly contain myself. So, Kajit has wares if you have the coin.
Okay, Nikki, are you satisfied with setting our? Are you satisfied with settings?
I think we did a good job. I think we put the statement piece in the middle like you're supposed to. We have a good division, male, female.
This is the vintage dress. It's made in West Germany.
It's so vintage, it's made in a country which no longer exists.
I think it's from 60s.
It's older than me.
Imagine.
We did it?
Nice. Okay, here also it's happening something interesting. What is this?
Okay, so this dress used to belong to a Macedonian folk star, Blagica Pavlovska.
This here it is.
That's her. That's her. She is like Macedonian Dolly Parton.
Yes.
Dolly Parton. Okay, and we are auctioning this dress off because it used to belong to her. So it's a piece of our country's history. Yeah, if someone wants to buy, they need to just write down the bid. Blagica Pavlovska, she's also notorious for singing in this locale turn every Friday and Saturday, and well, it's often been called like the greatest party the city has to offer. So if you're sometimes in Skopje, we can arrange that for you.
Let's see the dress.
Oh yeah, I think it's a very nice dress. It's got these, what do you call these? Sequins. Sequins, yeah. And very fine material.
Very sexy dress.
Oh yeah. Well, sex appeal is a very big part of music. Oh, cherry liquor.
Да, денеска правиме дегустација на плетварски ликер од вишна.
Значи, веома врло квалитетна
Да
рака.
го отвориме. Идеме? Кој е за вишнава?
Okay, Nikki. The event is over, right?
Oh yeah, it's over.
And what will you say about that?
Well, we had a lot of fun. We sold some pieces, we sold some clothes. We had fun, listened to good European music. Euromaxing every day. And yeah, we made some money.
Okay, so you are very satisfied. Satisfied?
I'm always satisfied, you know that.
Okay. Živjeli.
I'm out of booze. Cheers.
This is not mine, but... Okay, Nikki. Event is finished. And what will we say about all preparations and event and everything?
Oh, what am I going to say? I'm just glad to take part in sustainable fashion. I think it went well. We made a very good profit on the second-hand clothing, on the vintage pieces. But now I need to sit down and think and maybe even make a formal analytic of the event to see how we can improve it. Because we want to make more in the future, and you gotta keep improving. You cannot just do the same thing over and over again.
What will we improve? Yeah. For example,
I'm thinking maybe make the events a little smaller so that they're easier to put on, less effort, less money spent.
you mean smaller like few vendors, right?
Possibly, yeah. Also maybe to make them more regular, but with less fanfare, less advertising, less,
Because
just make it a smaller event so we can have more of them. with the same resources, or maybe just a little bit more.
Yeah, because we have a problems first of all with vendors canceling in
That is a big
in
factor.
the last minute, right? So 4 or 5 of them cancel in last minute. So I'm not sure how you guys, if you have experience in this stuff, how you handle this. Because I don't know, we need to somehow think about this issue, right?
Yeah, we definitely need to think about it, and also just there is a bigger problem in that our market here in Macedonia is very small, because people don't really. There's like a number of reasons why people in Macedonia or the Balkans more generally don't buy secondhand.
Why?
Well, I have it written down somewhere. It's like more like a marketing strategy than anything else. I don't know if it's interesting, but the main barriers are sort of, there's a superstition about observing the energy of the old user.
Yeah,
There
I
is a
heard
sort of
that too.
yeah. That's the first reason. The second reason is people here have poverty trauma. Generational poverty trauma, because we are a poor country in Macedonia. Balkans is a poor region. Now we're not starving, we're not really starving, but people do not like to think of themselves as poor.
Yeah, so they are afraid to be a poor, right?
So because they're afraid to be poor, they're afraid to buy secondhand, and just to have the prejudice, have fui, that's for poor people. And the third reason is, I think we have, like peoples of the Balkans, we have a sort of neuroticism about hygiene. Like the joke is, how do you know you're Macedonian? Because your mother vacuums 5 times every week. And I hate that. That's actually true. Like people from the Balkans, Macedonians especially, we are very neurotic about hygiene. Are neurotic about other people are dirty.
You can clean the clothes or...
Yeah, but it was worn by someone else, pushed against their body. And because we are low trust societies, high context societies, I think they call them, we sort of assume everyone who is a stranger is dirty and filthy, also morally dirty, and that's a big part of, And so we are fighting against all of those prejudices while trying to build this market. And sometimes, you just do everything right, but you need to spend more time, and it needs time to percolate. I don't know, though. I don't know what I'm saying.
Yes, so yeah, but we have people, we have visitors, right?
We had visitors, yeah. No, I'm not saying it was like a bad event. We actually made the most profit we ever did from selling secondhand. It was very interesting, but I think it could have been better. I think we could have had.
Would be better.
Oh yeah. I'm just thinking out loud in all the ways in which we could improve. Now this is one day after the event is done, so I don't think we've had time to process all the information just yet.
Yeah.
This is why go to sleep. Today is Sunday. We're not gonna do nothing. Well, we're filming this video. Give little time for the sort of novelty to wear off, and we're gonna think in the future. Okay, how do I improve this? And I think we should actually approach it a little bit professionally. Start thinking about, because this is an important thing. Sustainable fashion is important. We want to stop the fast fashion companies. We want to protect the environment. I think I'm very also concerned about workers' rights. We don't want to see people exploited. And you attack it from the demand side with second-hand clothing, with vintage shoes. And that way you can also maybe pressure companies into manufacturing higher quality clothes for a broader public. Because right now the good clothes are really just for the rich, and that's mostly from markup, it's not from production cost. Well, this way we can do it.
Okay. that was our thought about first event.
What do you think? I don't think you said anything.
I said
What?
we can improve some stages of event. Yeah.
Definitely. Well, I think the moral is keep trying, keep failing, or maybe succeeding a little bit, and as long as you learn from everything that happens and improve the next time, that's good.
Yeah.